everyone, if you've been searching for a spacious upgraded home in Heartland, Mississauga, this is it. Welcome to 5268 Hollypoint Avenue. This stunning home offers roughly 2,300 square feet of living space plus a separate 2-bedroom basement apartment. Perfect for extended family or potential rental income. Four spacious bedrooms upstairs with 2 master bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, no more morning lineups. Bright, eat-in kitchen with plenty of space for family meals. Separate living, dining, and family rooms, ideal for entertaining. Upgraded throughout with modern touches. Large driveway with parking for up to 5 cars, no sidewalk. This home is perfect for families, multi-generational living, or as a smart investment. Do not miss this incredible opportunity. Call or text me, Pardeep Jasi, your favorite Mississauga realtor at 416-629-3480 for more details or to book your private viewing for this home.